Hi, I'm Julie from Thermokitchen, and today we're making creamy Greek yogurt. Our first step is to heat a litre of milk to 80 degrees. This will take approximately 6 minutes on speed 1. We then allow the milk to cool to between 37 and 50 degrees. Next comes the milk powder, which makes the yogurt nice and thick. We mix that up with the milk in the Thermomix and then add the yogurt starter. Once the yogurt ingredients have been combined, it's a matter of filling the yogurt pots with the mixture. The pots then sit in the deep varoma dish, and we add lids to the yogurt pots and then the varoma lid to the top of the varoma. After cleaning the TM bowl, add 350 ml of water and a tablespoon of vinegar. Next, we'll put the varoma on top of the lid and allow our yogurt to ferment for the next 8 to 10 hours. Use fermenting mode for this step. Once the fermentation mode is complete, we put our yogurt pots in the fridge to chill. The result is thick pot set yogurt. I'm adding some honey, banana, strawberry and muesli to top mine. The complete recipe is available on my website, and you'll find a link in the notes below. For more great recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and come along to our Facebook group page. Thanks so much for watching, and please remember to like the video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I actually love getting messages from everyone.